Let me be real and honest with you. It sucks after a hair transplant. You're going to feel so terrible after a hair transplant. But I don't want you to quit now. Because what? You've made that decision and you're going to go through with it. And I'm here to guide you on what to do. Now, if you're coming across this video for the first time, my name is Dr. Chief. I'm a hair transplant surgeon and hair loss coach. I've helped thousands of my clients regain their confidence through hair regrowth and hair transplant. You're about to make a decision about going for a hair transplant, or you don't even know if you're a candidate for a hair transplant and you're wondering what is the next step because you're already dealing with hair loss. Now, I need you to make an appointment at Havila Hair Restoration. We offer free virtual appointments, and someone from my team will get in touch with you and talk to you, and we're going to formulate a good treatment plan for you. Now, let me tell you, I've had so many of my clients after a hair transplant. The first 2 months after a hair transplant will be horrible, terrible. Why do I say that? You're going to experience a lot of hair shedding. You're going to look worse before it starts getting better. See? So I get a lot of calls that period, the first 2 months after a hair transplant, or I get a lot of clinic visits after a hair transplant because people are in this confused state. They don't know what's going on with their hair. They're like, my hair is supposed to be growing. Why does it look ugly? Why does it look, worse? But I always have to explain to them, this is the period that is going to look really ugly before it starts to get better. So if this is you just had a hair transplant and you're in this phase, I'm going to teach you what I don't want you to quit right now. I need you to hold on. I know you're looking in the mirror saying, why did I do this? Calm down. Let me explain to you what's going on so you don't quit on yourself. So I'm going to teach you what is going on with you, especially this phase immediately after a hair transplant. This typically occurs the first couple of months after a hair transplant. Hair shedding. That is why it's important to read your post-op instructions. I always tell my clients it's important to read your post-op instruction or aftercare instructions. Even before you go for the hair transplant, you're going to see where it's reading about shock loss and hair shedding. A lot of people tend to experience hair shedding, depends on the degree or to the extent of your hair shedding, but most people will experience some form of hair shedding. So if this is you, it's okay. I'm here to tell you it's normal to experience hair shedding. It can typically start anywhere from 2 weeks and last to 2 months. And I promise you, the hair is falling, but the roots are present. Your hair is going to grow. You need to be patient. So it's normal. So I don't want you to stress about it. Hair shedding is normal after a hair transplant. Then number 2 is the scabbing. Scabbing and some redness. Now, scabbing is a form of healing. With hair transplant, we make incisions on your scalp, and that skin is going to heal, and it heals in form of scabbing. You see, and you get some scab tissue, and that's why washing your scalp and scrubbing your scalp is very important. It's actually part of your aftercare instructions. You need to know how to scrub your scalp after your hair transplant. The first week, you do gentle washing. After the first week, you do more aggressive scrubbing so that you can get those scalp tissues off. So you see, I don't want you to stress about it. A lot of my clients send me pictures and I'm like, that's the scalp tissue. You need to scrub more aggressively. So if this is you, you're looking at yourself after 1 week of your hair transplant and you're wondering, what are all these things on my scalp? It's time to scrub aggressively. Put some respect to your scrubbing. Scrub harder. If part of your healing process, I don't want you to stress about it. It is normal, totally normal. Now, number 3, you're actually going to look worse. You're actually going to be in the worst phase of your life after a hair transplant because your hair is trying to take form, like it's still trying to grow, it's still trying to survive. Your grafts are trying to survive. So this is the ugliest your hair is going to be. Every day, there's going to be a progression of your growth. So I want you, every time you look in the mirror, even though you don't see any progression, I just need you to remember it's growing, even though you can't see it. So you need to be patient. This is the ugliest it's going to be. Tomorrow is going to be better. Next month is going to be better. Until, 4 to 6 months, you're going to see something. So I want you to be patient about your result. Now, come closer. This is my number 4. Come closer. I need you to come closer. For my people at the back, this is very important. Do not compare yourself Do not compare yourself to anyone you see online. Please. Do not Google people's results. Do not Google people's complication because it is not you. What you see online is different from real life. I get people coming with pictures, people coming with people's complication about people's experience and all that. It's not going to be you. Hope for the best. So always remember, do all you can, follow your instructions, and watch your hair grow. And finally, number 5, growth takes time. Yes, anything good takes time. Right from when you make the decision, right from after your hair transplant, first month, panic, second month, panic, third month, panic, fourth month, you see some growth, fifth month, sixth month, all the way to 12 months. So growth takes time. So it is normal for you to feel frustrated at times. But I want you to always remember, anything good will take time. So in summary of what I've said, so if you are in that tough phase right now, take a deep breath out. It's normal. If you're looking in the mirror and you're looking very ugly after your hair transplant, take a deep breath out. If you're frustrated with what you're looking at and you don't know when your hair is going to grow, what do I recommend? Take a deep breath out. If you're looking at other people's results and wondering, when is it going to happen for me and to me? What do I recommend? Take a deep breath out. It's all going to be okay. And if you've enjoyed this video and you're dealing with hair loss, what do I recommend? After you take a deep breath, take the next step of making an appointment with us at Havila Hair Restoration. We offer free virtual appointments, and somebody from our team will get in touch with you and talk to you, and we'll formulate a good action plan for you. And if you've enjoyed my video, I need you to head over to YouTube, where I teach you all the tricks and tips concerning hair transplant. And until next time, bye-bye.